It's an original Saxon. Got Alex here.
Got Sam.
It's here. Going down?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good, and you?
Not bad. I just like elevators.
Oh.
Here, I was gonna get a shot of that. I bet it used to have the old
indicator?
Yeah, the IEE.
Yeah, not that new one up there.
Yeah, they replaced it.
What's with the indicator on the side?
That's for attendant mode to show if if they want to have someone operating it.
Oh, okay.
It's to show like where all the up and down calls are, so they know where to pick people up. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Here, watch out! I'm gonna get a picture of this panel. Whoa. Maximum capacity is 6,000 pounds. We're going to show this quickly. Awesome.
I don't think I've been on Lexan this tall.
Me neither. This is the tallest one I've been on for sure. It's huge. It's going to come to a real bouncy style. Yeah. Oh, it's locked. We won't be able to see the Montgomery. All right, let's go down to 24.
This is cool.
Right? Push the pre-bar. Takes a second to level in. We'll go back to 16. Let me get a cab view. This is so cool. Look at this old lantern.
This is cooler than the Montgomery though.
Oh, way cooler. It's for ladders.
Look at those buttons. Lots and lots of buttons.
Right? This is car 13. Slow door. Thing's big. That's it.